Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel RL2Do Speak. Do you feel nervous when you speak English? Do you forget words? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many people feel afraid to speak English. But today, in this video, I will tell you how to speak English without fear. After watching this video, you feel more confident. Let's start. First, understand one thing clearly. Nobody is perfect in English. Even in countries like United States and United Kingdom make mistakes. English is just a language. It is not a test of your intelligence. So, mistakes are normal. Making mistakes means you are learning. Don't think what people will think about me. Instead think I am learning, I am improving. Many people try to speak very difficult English. That is the biggest mistake. You start with very simple sentences like I am going to the market, I like tea, I am learning English. Simple English is good English. Confidence comes first. Fluency comes later. So, speak slowly, speak clearly. Do not need to speak fast. If you feel shy, practice alone. You can speak in front of a mirror. You can record your voice in your phone. You can describe your daily routine. Example, I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. I brush my teeth. I had breakfast. Practice every day for 10 minutes. Then you can see slowly your fear will reduce. Stop translating in your mind. Many people think in their mother tongue, then translate into English. It makes you nervous. Instead, think in very simple English. It will take time, but it will change your confidence. Don't fear about people's laughter. Some people may laugh, some people may correct you. That's okay. Remember, people who laugh at others never grow. People who practice always grow. Be brave. Your future is more important than people's opinion. So friends, to speak English without fear, accept mistakes. Speak simple English. Practice every day. Think in English. Be confident. English is not difficult. Fear is only problem. Remove fear. Speak English confidently. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel RL2Do Speak. Keep practicing, keep smiling. Thank you so much for watching.